Question number 6. Which of the following will yield maximum discount on rupees 6896? First is two successive discounts of 5% and 5%. Second is single discount of 10%. Third is two successive discounts of 8% and 2%. Now you might think that this is pretty lengthy. Also the number given over here is looking a bit difficult and calculation will take time. But no, this is very easy. Okay, let us see how to solve it. You know the formula for successive discounts, that is nothing but add minus multiply by 100. Okay, and you just need to find out which of the following options will give you maximum discount. Now say if you get a discount of 10% on one object and say 20% on the same object, then which of this option will give you maximum discount? But obvious, this 20 is more than 10, so 20% discount means you will get more discount than this. Same way over here, we need not consider the amount at all. Do not consider over here the amount. Just find single equivalent percentages of these, and whichever percentage is higher, that will give you maximum discount. See how easy it was. Let's see the first option. What is the first option? Two successive discounts of 5% and 5%. So what is the single equivalent of this? Add minus multiply divided by 100. That would be 10 minus 25 upon 100 is 1 by 4. That is 0.25. That is 9.75%. Second one is very easy. It is given single discount of 10%. So it is 10% only. Third one, two successive discounts of 8% and 2%. What is the single equivalent of this? 8 plus 2 minus 8 into 2 by 100. 10 minus 16 upon 100. Okay. Now, instead of calculating this, we just want the maximum discount. No need to go into its calculation. Why? 10 minus, that means something is going to get subtracted from 10. Is that right? That means the value will be less than 10. We already have 10% over here, right? So this is nothing but largest, okay, amongst 9.75, 10% and some value which is little bit less than 10. Largest is nothing but 10. So this is the one. This option will give you maximum discount. See how easy it was. In exam you will be able to solve this in hardly 15 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds. Or sometimes always remember a small trick. Say if the percentage now over here is 10, okay, 10%, single discount of 10%. Now these two successive discounts are 5% and 5%. If you add 5 plus 5, what you will get? You will get 10. If you add this 8 plus 2, what you will get? You will get 10. Whenever such options are there, okay, always remember the single equivalent discount of 10% will always be greater than two successive discounts, okay, whose addition is 10. For example, let us say a discount is given of say 15%, single discount of 15%. This will always be greater than successive discount of 10% and 5%, or say take any value 2% and 13%. Addition of these 10 and 5 is 15. 2 and 13 is 15. So greater than this is nothing but single equivalent discount of 15%. You saw over here two successive discounts, equivalent discount came out to be 9.75, which is less than 10. Always remember single discount, not equivalent discount. Single discount is always greater than successive discounts of the same value. Now moving to question number 7. Raj decides to sell his watch at 5% discount, but his brother buys it from him and he gives his brother 8% discount. Due to this, Raj gets rupees 45 less in profit. What was the marked price of the watch? Now over here what happens is that Raj wants to sell a watch, okay, right? So let us assume that this is the watch, okay, this is the watch, okay, and the marked price for the watch is say M rupees. Now Raj decides to sell the watch at 5% discount, but his brother is buying the watch, because of which what happens to the brother? He gives 8% discount, okay, that is 3% more plus 3%, right? 3%. Because of this what happens? Raj gets rupees 45 less in profit. What does that mean? The 3% discount which Raj gave on the marked price, 3% more discount which Raj gave on the marked price, gave him 45 rupees less. That means this 3% on the marked price is nothing but 45 rupees. Had he given 5% discount only, he would have got the same price as the previous one which he had decided. but because of this 3% extra discount, he gets 45 rupees less. That means this 3% discount is 45 rupees, that is 3% discount on marked price is rupees 45. So what we have to find is the marked price. Very easy, 3 upon 100, because percentage sign is 100, multiplied by marked price 45, 15, marked price is rupees 1500. See how easy it was. Going to next question. Ramesh was getting 2 offers on a book having marked price rupees 800. Either 2 successive discounts of 20% each or 2 successive discounts of 30% and 10%. If Ramesh chose the better scheme, how much more he must have saved compared to the other scheme? Again, very easy. We know the formula for successive discounts: add, minus, multiply by 100. Okay, what is the first option given? 2 successive discounts of 20% each. So equivalent discount would be 20 plus 20 minus 20 into 20 by 100. That would be 5. This would be 4. So this would be 40 minus 4 equal to 36%. What is the second option given? 2 successive discounts of 30% and 10%. So add minus 30 into 10 upon 100, that goes out to 40 minus 37%. That means Ramesh gets 1% more discount in the second case. Here it is 36%, here it is 37%. So Ramesh chooses this scheme, better scheme. Now they have asked how much more he must have saved compared to the other scheme. That means when he chose the second scheme, how much more did he save? He saved 1% more. Why? Because 37% minus 36% is 1%. So he saved 1% more. Now 1% which is there, that has to be calculated in terms of rupees. So that 1% saving is nothing but 1% of 800 rupees. That would be equal to 1 upon 100 into 800 equal to rupees 8. So Ramesh saves rupees 8 more while choosing the better scheme. See how easy it was using the simple formula.